Hi, today I'm going to show you how you start off your foundation row for a Graphghan. Basically, when you look at your pattern, you'll see row 1 and it'll tell you what color and it'll tell you how many stitches to the end. On some of the other complicated rows, if there was one starting that way, you would just count all of your colors together and that would be your foundation row number of chains. In this purpose, there's 200 for blue. So what I'm going to do is I start off with my row. I'm going to make about 4 to 6 inches before I make my knot. And for the foundation row, you basically chain 200. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for example, say I went 200 and I'm at my 200 for all illustrative purposes. When I'm at the end and I'm going to do half double crochet, all I'm going to do is chain 1 for that side post because I need to build the height up. Now, for my first one, which would be 200, I just go yarn over through the hoop, yarn over, pull up so that I have 3 chains on the hook, and I yarn over and pull through all 3, and that is a double. That's a half double crochet. I'm going to do that again. The pattern does say 200, so I'm just going to work my way all the way back in a half double crochet. And that is how you start your foundation row and work your row 1 for a Graphghan.